I wanted to do something fun for my kitchen, so I decided to make this huge tobacco basket Merry Christmas sign. Using the basket I got from Hobby Lobby, along with this gorgeous fuzzy bow I got from Michaels, and some flower picks, along with this laser cutout sign that says Merry Christmas. I also used some golden ornaments I got from the Dollar Tree, along with some wood stamps, and voila, here it is, my happy winter wonderland Merry Christmas sign for my kitchen. If you want to see more fun DIYs, crafts, and tutorials, check me out on YouTube and Instagram under Craft Away with May. Happy holidays, lovies. See you soon.